What's poppin'? Mayhem Goddess Gang. So in today's video, I will be going over the Juvias Place Tribe Palette. I have not gotten the Juvias Place palette in... I'm not going to speak about that because I actually have, so whatever. This palette has a lot of green colors and gold colors, and I would say about green offset colors. So as per usual, I'm not going to do the swatches because I'm so sure you see a billion of them, and unless you guys want me to, you let me know if that's what you want me to do. But you know, the shimmers are really nice and buttery as usual. I never have a problem with any of the shimmers. Those are the shimmers right there. I don't even know you can see that. There we go. So the shimmers are really nice. The mattes are really nice. They blend well. That's all I gotta say. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, these money bag eyes, that's what I'm gonna call them, then you know what you gotta do. You gotta subscribe. You gotta keep on watching. First color we are going to go to is the color called Oramo, and we are going to take some of that on a fluffy brush. And remember when I said that if you have hooded eyes that you're going to have to take it up a notch, you know, higher than what you would so people can see the color, or so you can see the color, because really this is your makeup and it's about you and what you like. So once you get the pigment onto that brush, we are going to go ahead and place that just above the brow bone, and we're going to keep building up that color until we get the color payoff. The color we are going to go into is this color called Tootsie, and this is this lime green color, and we're going to place that on the crease and blending that together. So with Oramo and Tootsie together, we are going to blend Tootsie into Oramo and get a nice blend. This is really pretty lime green color. Then once you are done with that, it should look something like this. The next color we're going to go into is that dark green color, and it is called Sun, and we're going to take that on the same fluffy brush, and we are going to place the pigment on the outer corner and the inner corner, leaving the center absolutely blank and kind of blending the color up into the crease. Place it and blend it, and just take your time on this. We're going to create a halo eye. What we're going to do is create our halo, and you are going to need a flat brush and whatever you're going to use to cut it, concealer, makeup, whatever's you just. Y'all who's been rocking with me for a minute, y'all already know. Say it with me, Bella Pierre. We already know. So we're going to go straight down the center of our eye, and what I like to do is go a little bit above the crease and create this fan look. Something like that. So a nice little fan, and then it gets narrow as you go down. Is my camera focusing? I hope you guys can see that. It's a little blurry. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. There we go. So a fan, and then it gets narrow at the bottom. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take Chonga, and we are going to place that right where we just cut our crease at. Well, created our halo. Now the only thing we're going to do is blend those colors together. We're going to dip back into Sun, which is that dark green color, and we're going to kind of place it on the halo, but not really. We're fading it out. And I'm keeping the center quite narrow so you get like this effect on the eye. So kind of like it's narrow and then up at the top is like a fan. This gel liner Inglot, and this has to be one of my favorites right now. Now that I have my eyeliner on for bottom lashes, I'm going to be going into Tootsie and Masai. I'm going to dip those two colors together and apply on the bottom lash. Now I'm going to take Koro and I'm going to put that on the brow bone highlight. And now I'm going to be taking this color right here, which I cannot say, but you guys can see it on the screen, Kurla. And I'm going to be placing that in the inner corner of my eye as a color highlight. Intercutter highlights? I think y'all know what I'm talking about. Step is completely optional. From here, you can go ahead and add your lashes and finish up your look, but I'm going to apply this white liner that I'm not going to say because apparently I just found out she's canceled. Everybody getting canceled in 2019. I understand. We just started. So I'm going to take this white color right here and I'm going to pop it right there along my wing just to give it a nice little, it makes the look different. Can you guys see that? So yeah. And for lips today, I use this color called Know It All from ColourPop, and this is a matte lipstick. So I think I'm just gonna touch up in some places just to complete this look. So that completes today's look using the Juvias Place Tribe Palette. As per usual, I never have a problem with the product, and I still ain't had to deal with customer service, but unfortunately I might have to say this might be my last time getting a Juvias Place palette for personal reasons that I've seen things that's been going on with her, and what I've observed with influencers, I think she tends to cater to a certain particular type of influencers other than who her business was based around. So that's my input. I do love the green color. Green is money. Green is growth. Gold is money. So I thought, why not combine the two together and you got yourself a nice little money bags on your eyes. So, and I thought the white added a nice little hint to it, and since this was such a bold look, I decided to go with this matte lipstick from ColourPop, and I think this just really ties the whole look together. So you guys let me know what your thoughts are, if you will be picking this up, if you already have, if you anti-Juvia's Place no more right now. It seems like there's a whole lot of freaking people who's been canceled, and 2019 just got started. It just started. Why everybody canceled already? So until next time, it's been me, your girl, MayhemBeauty, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.